Python argparse allow combined flags. Is it possible for argparse to parse combined flags like this? In this case, I would want something to be set to A and the rest would be stored true. Basically, I know most programs allow this, for example grep-ru, but how hard would it be to do this with argparse?
You can achieve this with store_const. Then you can call this from the command line either with AB or with AB, or A, or B. Edit, and if you want one of the flags to take an argument, you need to pass it as the last item of the chain. So if it takes an argument, you'd need to dupe to something.
Here's what I found with a little Googling. Several short options can be joined together, using only a single prefix, as long as only the last option, or none of them, requires a value. This URL
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.